I don't suggest you drive or use any machinery. Just chill at home and eat.
Our top story at 6, thinking of driving while high? Well, think again. Tonight we've learned the punishment is just as stiff as being busted for DUI. Good evening and thanks for being with us. I'm Melissa Mahan.
I'm Scott Hennessy. A month after Prop 64 passed, the issue of driving high is something law enforcement in California is taking very seriously. The number of Californians who drive drugged has increased 12% in the last 10 years. Now that recreational pot is legal, traffic safety officials are concerned the problem could get worse. And marijuana industry experts say there's a problem of education. Not enough people are aware of the plant's impairing effects. The California Department of Traffic Safety has issued a warning to people who are thinking about smoking and then getting behind the wheel.
KCOY 12's Sean Larson joins us live in Santa Maria with more on that story. Sean?
Scott, Melissa, you can now possess and grow marijuana. However, the state of California is reminding people that you can still get a DUI from driving under the influence of the plant. Now, earlier today, I spoke with CHP. They told me some of the signs that they look for. That's the sound you could hear if you're caught smoking and swerving.
It can impair you just like alcohol can.
Marcel Bonner says he's been smoking marijuana for about a year.
Before, we would have to be like out in the alley.
Bonner says it's benefited his life.
I was kind of depressed at one point in time, and not only just using it, but as far as a friendship, building it, using that as the icebreaker. Oh, you smoke weed, I smoke weed too. Let's go have some fun.
As of last month, Californians 21 and older are now able to legally possess marijuana, can legally grow up to 6 plants, transport it, and use up to an ounce of cannabis for recreational purposes. But you can still get popped for a DUI for driving under the influence of marijuana.
I don't suggest you drive or use any machinery. Just chill at home and eat.
Bonner says he's not driving anywhere after smoking.
It's just dangerous. You can hurt somebody else's life, mess up your own life.
CHP says smoking marijuana can impair your driving in a number of ways.
Drowsy, the coordination, sluggishness.
Officer David Medina says the state doesn't yet have a legal driving limit for marijuana, but said if someone is arrested on suspicion of driving under the influence of the plant, officers can take a blood sample drug test back at the station, but they always start with a field sobriety test.
Which is the walk and turn, finger to nose.
There's always going to be stuff that you don't like, and there's going to be people that don't agree with you, but just get along with everybody.
And state licensed shops can start selling marijuana for recreational purposes on January 1st, 2018, so a little bit more than a year from now. Live in Santa Maria, Sean Larson, KCOY 12 Central Coast News.
Thank you, Sean.